Hi, we're back at Mark's Electrical Studio, and today we're reviewing the Samsung RSG5UCSL American Refrigeration. Now this is yet another top product from Samsung. It looks functional, modern and smart, and has an unbelievable 615 litres of capacity. Now looking at the size of it, you'd never believe that you could fit 615 litres in there, but you can. And it's also got a door mounted chilled water and ice dispenser, which is always a bonus. Design wise, we love the stainless steel finish, the quality handles and the matching silver sides. It all blends in lovely together. The dispenser takes a tall glass and the control panel has a nice bright display, which gives access to fridge temperature, freezer temperature, power freeze and power cool for your big shop, ice on and off, dispenser lights on and off, child lock, vacation mode, cubed or crushed ice and chilled water. Now to feed the dispenser, the unit must be plumbed in to the home water system, and we recommend that it's done by a qualified technician. Now opening the 411 litre capacity fridge, you can see that wonderful tower LED light lights up the entire area. Now we'll start with the door. You've got 5 big deep door shelves. Now the depth comes from that nice concave door shape, and it's wide as well, so you get lots of capacity. There is a little bit of room for manoeuvre on the movement, but I think they're spaced out very well. You'll easily get a 2 litre bottle in there and here. The top shelf is a lidded dairy shelf with lots of capacity. Below that is a very clever can rack where you can put your soft drinks or your beer in there, all ready for easy access for those hot afternoons. There's a very well made, good quality plastic container there. You can keep various things in there. That'll also stay in the fridge. I'll probably use that for eggs, I think. So there's plenty of capacity in that door. Moving into the fridge, you get 4 big deep glass shelves. You also get a bottle rack to keep wine or whatever you like in. Now this is customizable. That will move around, that will move up to there, so you can put it any way you like. And one good feature as well is this glass shelf here that turns easily into a half shelf to free up some space for some higher products in here. Now going down to the 4th shelf, that acts as a lid for the fresh drawer, which is for your meat and your fish for about 0 degrees centigrade. Below that are the 2 fruit and veg crispers. You'll get plenty of capacity in each of those. Samsung's Twin Cooling Plus means fridge and freezer air are kept separate for best fridge humidity, and Multiflow maintains consistent temperatures by moving the air around the entire cabinet via the vents to make sure that the air temperature is the same at the top as it is at the bottom. Very efficient. Okay, let's have a look at the 204 litre capacity frost-free freezer. Again, you can see it's got great capacity. There are 3 decent sized door shelves. Above that is the Clearview ice maker. And then inside the cabinet you have 4 glass shelves which all offer good capacity. And below that you've got 2 good sized drawers. You'll get plenty of capacity in those as well. Now, being frost free, A, you haven't got to worry about defrosting, and B, along with this light, you'll always be able to see quite easily what you've got stored in the freezer. Now, Samsung have gained almost 100 litres capacity by redesigning their insulation, and that's impressive because it's the same size outside, but inside there's lots more capacity. Okay, let's have a look at the dimensions. There's a height of 1,780 millimetres, there's a width of 908 millimetres, and there's a depth of 737 millimetres. You will need to add on 5 millimetres all around for clearance. But another important dimension to consider is the clearance required when opening these big doors. Now, when fully opened, to their fullest extent. So they're quite wide. The width of the product becomes 1,720 millimetres. But a 90-degree opening of both doors, 90 degrees and 90 degrees, only adds about 140 millimetres to the width of the product. So you can still get access, but with a small opening. Okay, summing up, this impressive and with an A+ energy rating efficient product has a quiet and long-lasting digital inverter compressor that's guaranteed for 10 years. It looks great, it's easily big enough for a large family, and there's a host of features, and all with a 5-year parts and labour guarantee. And you could have one in your home tomorrow. Free delivery with a 2-hour time slot from Marks Electrical, and that's evenings and weekends included.